Hello and welcome to your forecast for Wednesday from the Met Office. A windy Wednesday for many of us, but those winds are coming from the south, and that means it's going to be fairly mild for the time of year. Very mild in some locations, especially the far north of Scotland, but big contrasts in terms of the weather we experience through Wednesday. Bright skies and dry across much of the south and the east. Unsettled in the northwest. Certainly as we start off Wednesday, some heavy steady rainfall pushing through parts of central and western Scotland, affecting the central belt, Dumfries and Galloway during the morning rush hour. A rain warning in force here because the risk of localised flooding for parts of Dumfries and Galloway. Inch or two of rainfall over the hills, especially some rain as well affecting Northern Ireland, northwest England, but generally we're seeing improving conditions across the northwest of England into North Wales, brightening skies, and after a sunny start for much of central and southern England and Wales, well, we'll see a fine Wednesday to come here. It is a blustery day. Winds coming up from the south mean that it's mild. 14-15 degrees, but for North Wales, the far north of Scotland, where it does brighten up through the day, 16 or 17 degrees possible as we draw up all this warm air from the south. And into Wednesday evening, we'll continue to see weather fronts mainly affecting the far northwest. After a drier spell for a time, further damp conditions into the north and the west of Scotland, as well as parts of Northern Ireland. Further south, clear spells coming and going, but whether you've got the clear air or the cloudy conditions, going to be mild as we start off Thursday. Some sunshine for parts of Wales, northern England into eastern Scotland, but we'll see increasing cloud draw up from the south, and that means it will end up a little on the grey side compared to Wednesday for much of central and southern England as well as Wales. Further north across Scotland, the far north of England, sunny spells and a fine day to come for Scotland compared to Wednesday, but more rain is waiting there to come back in after a damp start in the northwest of Scotland on Thursday. The brighter spell lasting through the daytime, turning unsettled again in the far west by the end of the day, as well as Northern Ireland. Much more detail on that, and you can get the forecast where you are online.